In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tasks in list mode in Asana. To start, open Asana on your desktop and head into your workspace. Think of your workspace as the home base where your teams, projects, and tasks live. On the left sidebar, look for the Work section and click Projects. This is where all your projects are organized, so choose the project where you want to manage your tasks. Once you're inside the project, make sure you're in list mode at the top. List mode lays everything out in a clean, vertical list, which is perfect for quickly scanning what needs to be done, who's responsible, and when it's due. If you don't see list selected, click it so the view switches from any other layout to the list view. Now, let's add a task. Click Add Task at the top of your task list. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press Enter to create a new task right in the list. Type a clear, specific task name and press Enter to save it. Short, action-oriented names help your team understand exactly what needs to happen without opening the details. To add more context or make changes, click any task to open the Task Details panel on the right side. This panel is your control center for the task. Start by assigning the task using the Assignee field. Pick the teammate who will be responsible for completing it. Assigning a task immediately makes ownership clear and helps avoid confusion. Next, set a due date by clicking the calendar icon. Choose a realistic deadline so everyone knows the timeline. Due dates also help Asana send reminders and keep your project schedule on track. If your project uses sections to group work, like To Do, In Progress, or Done, you can add the task to a section right from the list. You can also click and drag the task into another section to reflect its current status. Organizing tasks into sections keeps your list readable and helps you see progress at a glance. As work gets completed, mark tasks as done by clicking the checkbox next to the task name. This instantly updates the task's status, clears it from your active list, and gives your team an accurate picture of what's finished and what still needs attention. That's how you use tasks in list mode in Asana to stay organized and keep work moving. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.